I'm just one of those people who always knew that I wanted to be a doctor. Now, African Americans, Hispanics, Latinos, we make up about 25% of the population. So you would hope and expect that we'd have about 25% of us in the medical profession, where we're only about 6%. It's important for people to see doctors like themselves, people that they feel that they can relate to. ADHD is a neurological disorder or a brain disorder. You place both hands, one on top of the other, on the center of the chest.
Third hand smoke, Dr. Dooley, what are we talking about here?
Pre-hypertension affects 1 out of 3 Americans. So pre-hypertension and hypertension, now we have it affecting 2 out of 3 Americans. It's a silent killer.
Good.
Well, some things you might see in your children who have allergies are something called allergic shiners. So those are going to be dark discoloration under your eyes. You're going to notice that your kids rub their eyes a lot, and some parents will say, oh, that's just because they rub their eyes a lot. Well, why are they rubbing their eyes a lot? They're rubbing their eyes a lot because they're allergic. But most women, average risk, we're talking about average risk here, do not need a pap smear every year. That doesn't mean that they don't see their doctor every year. That just means that they might get to keep their pants on, which is good news. Everybody in the house to have a helmet with their disaster preparedness kit. Your feet are actually home to over 200 different types of fungi, and it's estimated that it can happen to anywhere between 10 to 15% of youth. If you're constantly telling yourself that you just can't lose weight, it's impossible for whatever reason, genetics, that's what your body is gonna do. So you need to start doing some meditation, some prayer, some yoga. You need to change your outlook and things. Start telling yourself a new story. Fake it until you make it. Start giving yourself positive affirmations until your dreams start to come true. If you go see your doctor, get your numbers, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, even some forms of cancer nowadays, we can stop these things from happening to you if you go talk to your doctor regularly and find out what your risk factors are.